In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Toyota CHR key fob to replace the internal battery at home. You will need one of these CR1620 batteries. If you don't know where to get one of those or you just like to get one online, I will leave a link down in the description to pick one up on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. Now, the first step here is just to flip the device over, and you can see where this little keyring is. You can see there's a little slot in there. We're going to take a regular flathead screwdriver, insert it in, and you can just pull it back or kind of twist. Oops, it's a little bit too much there. You just want to twist. You can just turn it kind of like a key, and that will remove this back section of plastic. You can set that to the side. And under here is the battery. There's little instructions here. You actually don't twist it. Kind of looks like you might twist it like a screw. You actually pry it out. So you want to use the same flathead screwdriver, insert it in, and kind of apply a good amount of pressure there so that it sticks. And you just pry this thing out. And I will show you that once more. It doesn't matter which side you are coming from. You're just going to insert, let it kind of catch on the edge in there, and you just pry it out. Now, to get this out, it can be a little bit tricky. You will need a special instrument. I'm going to be using this precision screwdriver. What we want to do is, there's a little hole in the bottom, a little kind of indentation there. We're just going to go in there with our tool and pry the battery out. And then, it's quite easy if you have the right tool. You can probably use a paper clip or something like that, but I do recommend using this. If you don't have anything lying around the house that can get this done, I will recommend this product here. This is exactly what I'm using. A couple different sizes of precision screwdrivers. You get a set, and it's just a couple dollars on Amazon. So I will leave that linked in the description as well. And what we do, once more, just push down into this little hole, this little space at the bottom. Push all the way down and pry the battery out. When you put your new battery in, make sure you are going positive side up. You put the 1620 battery in there, positive side up, and now you can just push this little disc back in there and click the back of the device back on. And that's all it takes. I hope that helped you out, and if it did, feel free to let me know down in the comments section or by just giving this video a like. And if you ever need help changing another battery in any of your key fobs, we have tutorials here on YouTube for pretty much every device from every maker model, so you can always check those out. You can also visit us over at our website, fobbattery.com.